Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Freehand Acrylics. Today we're going to do a very easy winter scene. Start as usual with the brush in cerulean blue and white, titanium white. And we'll just put a nice easy sky in here. I'll bring the horizon down just a little low today. And put some atmospheric perspective in there. That's a good base to start our winter scene. And then we're going to put a little brown on the brush, some white, some land in here. You can see it's nothing fancy. We're going to be covering most of it with black and then white. Put a few clouds in there. Tail off a little bit. Kind of look like they're flying in there. I'm going to put a few bills in here. For the nose, we just mix a little black, brown, and blue. Blue gives you a sense of distance. Notice how once again we're painting in the U. And we're going to put some trees in there. That's going to be mostly background. this is a little bit of a different perspective than the last picture. Just do some snow-covered land there. It's an easy picture. Some snow-covered foliage, both sides. You can see, almost the whole thing is a 1-inch brush so far. And I'm going to put some rocks in there. Give the land a little continuity. As you can see, this picture from start to finish isn't really going to take that long. Just as effective though. Take some light. The pathway in the snow. You want to give it a sense of depth, so it's going to get wider at the bottom. Yeah. Make it look like you're walking down a path. And we're going to take some light, some snow in there. And that's about it. Thanks for watching.